Yo, what is good people? Ben from Lover of Tech, back again with another unboxing, this time of capture card. This is the Elgato 4K 60 Pro. Yeah, I've been wanting this one for a little while, man. So again, big shout out to Elgato. I reached out to them, asked them if they could actually get this in because I wanted to do some 4K 60 game capture as well as live streaming to test out to see how it really worked. Especially, you know, since upgrading my equipment to have cameras that do 4K 60, I wanted to kind of see how this was gonna be. So yeah, man, let's get on to unboxing it. So yeah, this is the Elgato 4K 60 Pro. This is actually their version 2. So this is the one that's improved from the version 1, and also the price of it, man. From what I believe, the original UK MSRP price is actually £229.99, 230. But I've seen it retail for as low as brand new right now on Amazon for like £175. And for what you're getting here, I think it's great value for what you're able to capture. So it's just going to be a quick unboxing. Definitely going to be testing and doing a full review on it as I do. But as late to the party I'm not, I really appreciate Elgato for getting this in for me, and I always like to unbox it because I always want to see what my journey and experience with it is. So we'll do a quick one, man. Shouldn't be too long. Let's see. Unbox the knife. Careful. Almost cut away. And I like doing unboxings late or not as much as I can because I actually enjoy them. Yeah. Don't want to ruin the packaging. Oh, there we go. Boom. Always like the Elgato theme. Close it. Yeah. Close it nicely. Put this on the side. There's the Elgato logo. This is it. Wow. That is a lot smaller than I was expecting. I wasn't expecting it to be this small. This is why I like doing unboxings, because I still like to be surprised by it, because I want to actually see it for the scale of it myself. So this is the bracket for the HDMI in and out around it. So nice with a 3M adhesive Elgato logo. Thank you. Nice. Let's see what else we get in the box. And we do get a HDMI, full-size HDMI to full-size HDMI cable. Thank you for including a cable. That's actually great value that there is a cable included as well. That's dope. That's actually really dope. I like that. So let's see what it says here. And it says game capture 4K 60 Pro. Download the Elgato 4K capture utility to get started. And it pretty much shows you nice illustrated drawings of how to actually install in the PCI Express slot. And then obviously for your console or for your camera to actually go in there and to be capturing it in there. Right there. So you've got the HDMI in, that's for your device, obviously whether it's your console, your camera, and then you've got the HDMI out that you can obviously plug to your monitor or your TV to be able to get the capture out onto it, which should be, you know, lag free since it's PCI Express based, which is really good. Yeah, it's pretty much self-explanatory. So I believe it's using the HDMI 2.0 protocol. And let's open the capture card. Whew. All right, cool. I really didn't expect it to be this low profile. Oh, let's look at the PCB at the back, the printed circuit board. Would have probably loved the shroud at the back maybe, but I don't know, maybe for cooling reasons. And this is it. This is the 4K 60 Pro Mark II. And then you've got you've got a HDMI in, HDMI out, using a HDMI 2.0 protocol. Obviously this is based on PCI Express. And yeah, basically it's an internal PCI Express. And this is one of the reasons why I love being on PC. There's products like this that allow that expandability. And this is one of the best and the most cost-effective way to capture 4K 60 up to externally on any device that supports it, whether it's your game console. Obviously, the newer generation games console have HDMI 2.1, so they can go beyond at 4K 120 as well as 8K 60. So I'm hoping the Mark III eventually, this is something I'll probably mention in my full review, I'm hoping that they are developing a Mark III to take advantage of that. And knowing Elgato, especially with what they released with the Camlink Pro, I'm looking at you, boy. I cannot wait to test the Camlink Pro. But at the same time, this is the most cost-effective solution to be able to capture 4K 60, whether it's, for example, I have an Xbox One X, so I'm definitely going to be able to do HDR recording as well as 4K 60 game capture from there. So that's something that I'm really looking forward to doing. And the cameras that I use, so up top is a Fuji X-T3, and also up front from what you're seeing is a Fuji X-T4, and both these cameras can output 4K UHD 60 frames a second from the HDMI and record 4K 60 internally. This is something I wanted to try out myself. That's my curiosity. And what's good is if you've got enough PCI Express slots that support this, you can actually have multiple cards in your system to be able to have multiple 4K 60 feeds, whether it's from dual cameras like myself, or, you know, from games consoles that you can actually plug in to be able to take advantage of that. So this is really good. And for the fact that, you know, £175, yes, the MSRP is $230, but you can get it brand new on Amazon. I'll have links in the description below for it. For £175 brand new, that's crazy. That's crazy. So yeah, this is the 4K 60 Pro. Obviously you got all the other stuff that comes with it as well, the bracket. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This is for, I believe, if you have a shorter base case and something like an ITX or mini ITX motherboard. So this is a good look. This is a good look. Again, late to the party, but it's something I always appreciate with Elgato and their support on the channel, man. So they've been great, and I have no shame in saying that they're one of my favorite brands, and what they do to bring out products like this and making it cost effective, from the Camlink Pro to this. Yeah, I can't wait to test this out and pretty much give my feedback on it. And as always, when I do my full reviews, man, I pretty much give you my experience of it, whatever feedback I can give to make sure that the product improves. Like I've mentioned a few things, but that's going to be something I'm expecting on the Mark III. But yeah, this is impressively small, man. Very low profile. Wasn't expecting that at all. I'm going to get this installed in my system and pretty much get running with it. That's it. Quick unboxing, as I always like to do them, man, as quickly as it is. So yeah, watch out for the full review on it once I test it for a little while, and I'll give my thoughts and opinions on it. And yeah, I'm expecting it to be quite decent. That is it for me, Ben from Lover of Tech. If you enjoy videos like this, you know exactly what to do, man. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you're part of Team TLS, the Tech Lover Squad, so you don't miss any future videos on the channel. I hope you're all safe during this time. I will catch you in the next one. Peace.